Welcome to Projects for All. My name's Mike, and today I have fans to show you. Skil sent these down for free for me to show you guys, and they're kind of cool because they're multi-volt. So whether you're in the 12 volt or the 20 volt ecosystem, both of these fans take either, and you can power them with USB-C. So even if you don't have the batteries or you're thinking about getting Skil tools later, you can still use these fans. Come on in here, we'll have a look at them real quick and we'll see if they're the right fan for you. Let's check out this little one first. Swivel head. Goes every which way. So you can position this wherever you want. It has this pretty cool clamp. It's a little squeaky, but it's got metal in there that locks it down, so I assume it's going to be pretty durable, and there's a rubber pad inside there. I have it on this 12 volt battery, 2 amp hour 12 volt. It's 2 speeds. Top speed is 200 CFM. Because it's multi-volt, we can put it on this 5 amp hour Power Core 20 battery. And it works just the same. USB-C port is on the back here, and it works exactly the same whether it's on USB-C. It does not charge the battery though if you have them both on there at the same time. The big one here is up to 500 CFM. It's got an infinitely adjustable switch. Your USB-C port is underneath the battery. There's a 12 volt or a 20 volt battery. The bottom of this one has screw holes so you can attach this permanently to a wall, but hidden inside here is a little rafter hook. So you can hook this on something, hang it upside down. Not too shabby. Both of these fans come with a 5-year warranty, and they're both brushless. So you know the battery life's going to be pretty good. That clamp's pretty strong. It'll hold a 5 amp hour 20 volt battery just on the side of a table. So they're fans. There's only so much you can say. The little one's $30, the big one is $60. They have a fairly good amount of versatility. I work in a place that has air conditioning, but the door's open half the time, and I always have a fan on my desk. I buy a new cheapo fan from Home Depot across the street for 20 or 30 bucks every other year, and the motors burn out. So 5-year warranty on this little guy. What more could you ask for? Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this one, hit subscribe, hit like on this video. It helps out the channel more than you can imagine. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.